Hi everyone, welcome back. The video will present you about my internship project, that is brief exposure to the industrial software environment as well as for the career development in the web field under the guidance of Professor Maria Naveen, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering. Contents include introduction, objectives, plan of work, results, conclusion, and references. Here, this is the certificate which I have been completed. That is, the company name was Railway Factory. The duration was 4 weeks from 16th August to 9th of September 2023, where I have done my internship. Company profile. The Railway Factory, it is a manufacturing unit of the Indian Railways located in Yelahanka, Bangalore, India. It is primarily specifies in the product of wheels, axles and a wheelset for a railway rolling stock. Established in 1984, RWF plays a crucial role in supplying the essential for the components of Indian railway networks, contributing to the maintenance and expansion of a country's rail infrastructures. We are the team of 8 members. We are not only these railway factory works on the wheels and axles. There is a software IT field in under it, that is Information Management Department MIS, under the guidance of Buddha Appara sir. Introduction. We have worked on the Dapper Demo MVC.NET Crude applications. So where Dapper, it is a lightweight OMR development by the Stack Overflow. Unlike full-fledged OMRs like Entity Framework, Dapper focuses on providing the high performance and a sample APIs for mapping the database queries to .NET objects. It designs to be fast and efficient, making it greater choice for performance sensitive applications. This also has several advantages when used with a .NET 7 with the APIs. It gives the performance uh, control and simplicity. Performance, that is a high performance due to its lightweight design and efficient mapping mechanism, that is particularly important in APIs where response time and scalabilities are crucial. Control. Dapper gives the developers more control over SQL queries compared to some other OMRs. This can be advantageous when working with the complex queries or optimizing the database interactions. Simplicities. Dapper's API, it is a straightforward and easy way. It does not abstract the way like SQL and some other OMRs, which are been beneficial if you prefer working directly with the SQL for certain operations. Applications of it includes web applications, reporting and analysis, testing and prototyping. In web applications, it is used in the APIs where commonly used as a ASP.NET Web or ASP.NET Crude Core APIs for the efficient data access. It provides a lightweight alternative to full-fledged OMRs like Entity Framework, which can be beneficial in the high performance scenarios. MVC application, that is integrated into ASP.NET MVC or ASP.NET MVC Core applications to handle the database interactions easily when dealing with the more complex queries or performance crucial operations. Reporting and analysis, it includes query performance and reporting and analysis applications. Dappers can be used to execute the complex SQL queries against the large datasets, providing better performance compared to traditional OMRs. Testing and prototyping. It involves integration testing and also it involves unit testing. Integration testing, that is used in the automated integration test to interact with the test database and validate the data access operations, offering the more control over the database interactions compared to the higher level OMRs. Objectives of this project includes performance optimization, simplicity and controlled, reduced abstraction, complexity and interoperability, maintenance and extensibility, scalability and resource efficiency. These are the primary objectives of this includes improving the efficiency, enhancing the developer's control and flexibility over the database interactions, minimizing the abstractions for the optimized SQL queries, ensuring compatibility and interoperability with the various datasets, simplifying the maintenance and extensibility and optimizing scalability and resources with the API applications. Dapper's lightweight approach aligns well with the objectives of the modern .NET projects, seeking performance-driven and flexible database access solutions. Plan of work. We have implemented the project using the VS Code, which is a popular code editor among the web developers due to its user-friendly and supports for a wide range of the programming languages and frameworks. It has a good user-friendly features which provides a good environment for the implementation. It has the intuitive framework which can clean and easy to navigate, live server extension which allows the user to see the changes to the web project in the real time and allows to edit the errors, highlight the syntax errors and autocomplete of the code, provides a wide range of the extension that adds functionality and support additional programming languages. The plan of work includes setting up and configuration, that includes the setting up of the Dapper demos, installing them and placing them in the Visual Studios. Then data models, by creating the data models using the CH clash, creating a repository for that so that you can map the Dapper and the SQLs, controllers and views, testing and debugging. The testing includes unit testing and integration testing, security consideration, performance optimization, documentation, and maintenance. These are the stages of the plan of work. So this is a result of our project which we have worked on the crude applications, where this is the list of the displaying the list of the peoples when used the code with the code Visual Studio and the data which is stored in the SQL. MS SQL. Here you can add a new person detail. Then if you want any of the person details is wrong and if we can update, there is a update person to be carried out, deleting the records in the people list, where you can delete a record in the list. Along with these continuation of these update persons, there are the operations like get, post, get by ID, put by ID and delete by ID. These are the continuation operations along with it. Get operation, where you can get the person details. Get, it is used to request the data and forms and specific request used for the retrieve the HTML pages, images and styles and process. Post operation, it is used to submit the data in the directories of the request to a specific resources. It creates the resources or updates an existing one. Then put operation. Put operation, it is used to update or replace the resources at a specific URL, that is unified resource locator. Delete operation, it is used to delete the specific resources from a server. Post operation, it is used to submit the data directories. Get by ID, you can able to get the persons along with the ID specified either 1, 2 or 3. Put operation, same thing, that is you can get the person's ID, put operations of the person ID. Delete, you can delete a particular record using that ID. So here it is one sample, that is displaying of the person details using the get operation, that is the ID number 1 with a name and the email has been displayed. This is a Dapper data sets, that is Dapper MVC data sets in the MS SQL. Conclusion. Dapper, it is a ASP.NET MVC projects offer a blend of performance optimization, control over the SQL queries, simplicity, compactability, maintainability, and flexibility. By leveraging the Dapper capacity within the MVC architecture and adhering to the best practices, developers can build the efficient and scalable web application with a streamlined database interaction. Dapper's lightweight ORMs, that is object relation mapping, approaches complaints the MVC mapper, empowering the developers to achieve the optimal database performance while maintaining the code and simplicity and flexibility. My internship journey at Railwheel Factory has been a transformative one, leaving me better equipping to navigate the complexities of the web development. Overall, my internship was a challenging reward experience that gave me a deeper understanding of the development process that is necessary to succeed in this field. These are the references. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe.